welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another unboxing here. And you've been following my journey with my Staub cookware. So if you haven't checked out my other video of unboxing of the Staubcare, go ahead and check out the description box below, or you can just check out my Food Travel Shopping Channel. Don't forget to subscribe, to follow us, and keep up with my video with the unboxing. And I will continue to buy more Staub cookware this year and keep unboxing every month. So check it out. All right, so today I am unboxing my steamer. This is a steamer insert for the 5.5 quart Staub La Cocotte. And as you all know, this is one of my favorite color. Oops. As you all know, this is one of my favorite color, and this size is just perfect for a family of 5 or 4 or even 6. So I don't even put this away anymore. This is always left on my stove because most likely I'll be using it every day. So I made an investment to purchase the steamer insert. Now, if you do normally do a lot of steaming at home, this is actually a great piece to go along with the stove. So let me just go ahead and open this up here. I will be reviewing the price that I got for this insert, and I'm gonna tell you all about the pricing and in terms of online, how much it is, etc. Okay, but it goes on like this, okay? It's just on top of your stove La Cocotte. So a couple of features here. So you can see all the rings inside, right? For the steaming effect, even on the side, not only just on the bottom. But also I wanna show you particularly the rubber that goes around it. You can actually take this off to clean. All right, so right now I'm just gonna leave this in here, okay? So then you just put it on like this, and then you can close with the lid. All right, I'm gonna do a demo later just to steam one of my favorite dim sum, and I'm gonna show you the results as well, and then putting it in, etc. Okay. So this particular stainless steel insert, the steamer insert, it is made in Vietnam, and this is, you know, Staub designed it by French design. Okay, so what they call. But it's really made in Vietnam. All right, so prior to doing the video, because I just want to talk about this here to get a better idea here. I used it once. If you don't dry this immediately, it have these water stain. So I would highly recommend, if you want it really nice, you wash it and you dry it right away. Now let's say you forgot to dry it right away. And how do you get rid of the water stain? Put it in vinegar. Soak it a little bit, and that's how you can remove those water stain, okay? Now, how much this is? Original price, $100. So really not worth that much, okay? Right now, the website on Staub's swilling website, they're selling it for $69.99. Now, don't forget, if you use the coupon code, you get an additional 20%. But right now, it's currently out of stock. So you might use your 20% that I have here with the coupon code. You can actually buy something else. But I don't recommend you probably buying it on the website if you live near a Staub or I should say a swilling factory outlet. Check out their factory outlet first before you purchase this somewhere online. Right now, like I said, on the swilling website, it is out of stock. But I had purchased this at the local swilling factory outlet store, and I paid $39.99. So from $69.99, I was able to knock down another $30. And I think for $39.99, this is, you know, pretty much a good deal. It's not flimsy, okay? So it's a very high quality stainless steel here. So I think it's worth it if you steam like at least once a week or 2 times a week. But you know, for most of the Chinese cooking that we do, we steam a lot. So this was a good investment in terms of my eyes. All right, so let me quickly show you how I'm gonna be doing my dim sum with the steamer. All right, so I fill up my Creuset about a third of water, and then we're gonna cover this, and then we're gonna wait for the water to boil, and then we're gonna put our steamer insert, and we're gonna put in one of Shan and I favorites, dim sum, in for steaming. So, all right, so the water is boiling. I'm gonna put my insert in. This might be a little culture shock here. I will be steaming my marinated black bean chicken feet. Alright, so some of you guys might not have exposed to this particular dish. This is a dim sum, classic dim sum dish. And both Shan and I really enjoy eating it. And it has such a rich collagen, and it's really good for the skin and even growing your own collagen, you know, like bone health and etc. So my suspect, this is only my suspect, you know, a lot of, and this is, you know, what's the Chinese people conspiracy, or, you know, what they believe in, you know, eating more of these, you know, rich in collagen, you know, it really promotes, you know, beauty and skin. So I don't know if that's true, but I do enjoy this dish. All right, so I'm gonna steam for about 10 to 15 minutes here, and then I'll open it up and see the results.
A few moments later.
All right, so here's my results, steaming my chicken feet. All right, it's all done. Looks so good. All right, let's take it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of the unboxing of my steamer insert. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoy watching the unboxing of my Staub cookware. Please continue to support the channel, like I said, subscribe, and I will do more unboxing in the future. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video and update.